Why, Mary? You know, watch out for me. I go eventually tell you know. But alright. Me have to ask a question. Me not gonna hold this back too long. First of all, Aunty Donna, why you come for me? Me never know say me name Deborah Nicholson. Do you see me with a fucking ring? Where the blood clot? Me never know say Gully Bop fuck out my pussy clot. I'm owe him something. So, you know say no go for him ex them when him did blood clot spend money pan. Gully Bop did blood clot spend money pan me. Me wake up yesterday so me did kinda lost. Now I am woke. What the fuck have Gully Bop done for me? That's you, I got blood clot come pan line come bout you come for Amari. Aunty Donna, don't make me tell you about your mama pussy clot. You're bright and out of order. You should have known say Amari not gonna circle your blood clot. No, Gully Bop never come to Amari for help. Gully Bop come to you for help. We get all your praises on earth. You're not even wait till you reach heaven. And you say you can't help him. Why you can't help him? But you help so many bomber clot stray dog. Help that don't want to know? Where the blood clot, yeah, pussy clot, send over the stray dog to Amari for. Go and fuck his bomber clot and don't call up Amari Ras clot, pussy clot, name in your blood clot mouth, Aunty Donna. Cause you like everybody else I look hype. You understand? Don't blood clot look hype off for me. Where the blood clot you call up me name for? Pussy clot woman. No me say Nico, you mash up my blood clot life. Eh? Dep on the street. Never have nothing for blood clot eat. Me ask you for help me. You say not to bomb but what the blood clot you call up my name for, Donna? Don't pussy clot call up my name. Shit house. Stop call up my name. You understand what you want to do? Fuck up my blood clot brains. Crab blouse. Donna, do not call my name. What you want to do? Drive me insane? Me no bomber clot, pussy clot, care about no ras clot, blood clot, dead old man. What the bomber clot, don't blood clot call up my name, me living a new life. You understand? You know, say my skin smooth and nice. To bomber clot and me give my life to Jesus Christ and me all turn Islam. And me I wear the higher Horus, cause you know will never understand my bomber clot. Where the blood clot you want itch me on to man with bag for? Where the blood clot me get back my young life and where you want me to do sit down and look about Bob? You go look about him. And you want to be Mary. And you want to be the good Samaritan around here. So why you feel all of the stray dog and I send that the stray dog to me? Let me tell you why me lose it. Me call Gully Bop pastor yesterday. Only for find out say the man a lie to me. The man a go blood clot tell me say him see Gully Bop on street. See Gully Bop on street and sorry for him and decide for bring him to Aunty Donna for get help. Only for find out say Gully Bop pussy clot up there man. Don't blood clot play with me, pussy hole. And a dirty, stinking motherfuckers and I thinking they can't trick Mari. Eh? So, when me skin out my pussy on Instagram and all over and looking lovely and nice and eatable and edible and everything, me never skin out my pussy for buying Gully Bop. The man is a pussy clot over man, you know? And when me I talk to the man, me realize the man said to me, say, in the do a deliverance bar for Gully Bop before and the bar never work. And me said, then this man say a street him buck him up on. Then the man I tell me, say, him not have no phone. Him not have no phone and me can't get to talk to him. And then the man I go tell me, say, him need a phone. Then the man tell me, say, him get money if he go pick up a phone. Then the man tell me, say, him a pick up money, yes, so this. Go suck out my blood clot. Amari is not a part of that. You understand? What good? You think the goodies bring me this far? For you not can trick me? For you not can use me? Gully Bop, move your bomber clot. What have you ever done for me? Move your pussy clot from here, sir. Last time me check you in a blood clot Bahamas with prostitute. Go and find them. Me I know your pitney. Me have 13 blood clot pitney and me don't even right now blood clot this own them. Right now me I own my slimness. I wish where two maga people are go. So me can't hardly feed myself and me fi go feed you. Move your bomber clot from here. Don't pussy clot get me out. You understand? Dirty stinking bomber clot when me sick, where were you? And come blood clot talk about who fi dead? When they upon blood clot plane, I talk about $45,000 me investing in your career. And in at the end you left me upon the blood clot, so you go suck your mama. Straight up. Your mama when me take care of, your sister will rub up my money, your son when me take off my shoes and put on him foot. You understand? Go take care of them. And your dirty pitney them when me go see the pitney them. Big woman, you have a daughter with a big woman and her pitney and everybody just look careless and dirty. You know, leave me the blood clot alone. Plus China chin where your son catch her with woman and she put him in the bed too and make him join in the bed too because she never want the money stop from come from foreign. So all the blood clot, may I hear Amari name a call up. Go suck your mama, yeah? Go suck your mama. Goodies don't bring me this far for this fuckery. You understand? And the star and the gleaner and everybody else. I went a blood clot take this thing for. You know, go away from here.